Alright, YouTube, quick little announcement. I promise this will not take too long. So I have brought back the products that we have back onto the store while we work on getting the UIs imported. What do I mean? I mean, for example, this UI right here, you see delivered in PSD format. So we're working on getting all of our UIs imported into Roblox Studio, and we're going to sell the RBXM file. So that's going to make it a lot easier for devs that don't want to, have to have Photoshop to export the file, and it's just unnecessary, right? So yeah, we brought these back for now. If you would like to purchase these UIs in PSD, but if not, just wait for us to import them and make the announcement in the future. So yeah, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Alright, so I edited a camera. Yeah. I'm thinking carefully of what I want to do exactly. How I want to make this render come to life. Tell you what, I'm also going to add a floor because I feel like it. Instead of a floating gun, I want to add a floor, so I go to shading, make a new material. Alright, so I added a very basic wood texture. So now I could take my gun and let's go ahead, let's place it onto the plane right here. Gotta make sure. There we go. Alright, so we got our gun. I like how this looks. I actually do. Let's place it down. Let's get a nice angle. There we go. Cool. Let's adjust this material a bit more. This metallic is, I don't think it's great.